Hey guys and girls, in this video we're going to take a look at the best small smartphones. I made this list based on my personal opinion and tons of research, and I've listed them based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we'll have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the smartphones in the video, just subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and leave a comment with a hidden word in the video. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best small smartphones on the market right now. Coming in number 6, we've got the Unihertz Atom. If you're in the search of the smallest smartphone money can buy, the Unihertz Atom is hard to beat. Believe it or not, this smartphone is about the size of a pack of gum. It still has built-in GPS, dual cameras, Bluetooth, and a headphone jack, like every other modern smartphone. And it even runs on the latest 4G networks and comes unlocked. It supports at&t and T-Mobile, but it doesn't work with Verizon or Sprint. It offers a rugged body, which helps it withstand drops, dirt, and spills. It also packs 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage space and runs the Android Oreo operating system. Unfortunately, it's equipped with mediocre cameras and a weak speaker. It's also difficult to type on because of its smaller size. If you work in construction, break your phone frequently, or just want to get a break from your full-size phone, it's an affordable option that you may want to consider, especially given its extreme durability and IP68 rated water resistance. Coming in number 5, Sony Xperia XZ2 Compact. If you prefer Android to iOS and want a small smartphone, we recommend the new Xperia XZ2 Compact from Sony. It sports a 5-inch full HD Plus HDR display, a powerful Snapdragon 845 processor, and an impressive 4GB of RAM, which is even more than the latest iPhone XR. It's water resistant and equipped with a 19-megapixel camera and a large 2870 mAh battery. It's one of the few Sony smartphones that's equipped with a fingerprint sensor, and it also has a memory card slot on board for more storage. Our only complaints are that it lacks wireless charging and a headphone jack. The phone comes in black, silver, pink, and pastel green colors, and it runs Android's Oreo operating system. Coming in number 4, Nokia 7.1. If you're looking for a small, cheap, and unlocked smartphone, the 5.8-inch Nokia 7.1 is a great choice. It isn't powerful or feature-filled as flagship devices, but it has a cool design, a bright display, and an ultra-slim body with excellent build quality. Even better, it costs less than $300. The smartphone runs Google's Oreo operating system, includes an 8-megapixel front-facing camera, and dual rear cameras. And it has support for Google's Smart Voice Assistant. It's equipped with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. Hands down, it's one of the most affordable smartphones you can buy. Number 3, Google Pixel 3a. With the screen measuring in at 5.6 inches, the Google Pixel 3a isn't the smallest smartphone, but it's still comfortable to grip and easy to hold thanks to its sleek body. The Pixel 3a features a headphone jack, a powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 670 chipset, a sharp edge-to-edge OLED display, stereo speakers, and some quality cameras. It's also equipped with Google Assistant, which can answer questions and respond to voice commands. You can activate the feature by squeezing the phone's frame. The Google Pixel 3a offers the most advanced Android user experience because Google prioritizes its software updates over other Android phones. Coming at number 2, Samsung Galaxy S10e. Samsung's elegant Galaxy S10e smartphone packs a ton of cutting-edge tech into a refreshingly compact body. with an almost complete borderless 5.8-inch Infinity Super AMOLED display. Samsung Galaxy's S10e is easy to operate with one hand, unlike its pricier relatives, the S10 and S10 Plus. Despite its smaller body, the smartphone packs the same powerful chipset, and you can choose between variants with 128GB or 256GB of expandable storage. Depending on the version, you'll get 6GB or 8GB of RAM. Because it's considerably more compact, the S10e has a smaller battery and a duo of camera sensors on the back, down from 3 on the rest of Samsung's lineup. It also lacks a fingerprint sensor under its display. Instead, it has one embedded into the power button on its right side. Regardless, it's a sharp-looking, sleek Android phone that you won't be disappointed with. Number 1. iPhone 11 Pro. Although we're still a little salty that Apple discontinued its smaller and more budget-friendly iPhone SE, this is the next best thing. With the iPhone 11 Pro, you get almost the same amount of screen, 5.8 inches, in a much smaller form factor than you would with the iPhone 11. We think it has a fantastic design that's easy to hold, and it offers an amazing user experience. Compared to its predecessor, the iPhone features a triple camera setup, a new significantly faster processor, and is made with more durable glass. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best small smartphones. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments, what is your favorite one? And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.